In this tutorial, you'll learn how to build a gorgeous, animated bottom sheet using Jetpack Compose Multiplatform. We'll create a clean, modern layout, style it with a stunning gradient background, and apply responsive UI best practices so it looks and feels great on any platform, whether it's mobile, desktop, or tablet. Let's dive in and bring this beautiful component to life. We begin with the modal bottom sheet, styled with curved top corners and subtle elevation. Inside, we use a box to paint a gradient background clipped to the shape. Then, we place a column to organize everything: the title, contact list, and bottom action button. Each contact is shown in a row, starting with a circular avatar and followed by their name and email. Tapping a row triggers a scale animation and highlights the selection subtly. To make the sheet feel more responsive, we animate both opacity and scale. The result is a smooth fade-in and a light pop that brings the sheet to life. At the bottom, we place a stylish Done button. It features a full-width gradient and rounded edges for a premium touch. This demo lets users test the bottom sheet in action. Tap the button to open the sheet, select a contact, and see their name update above. Perfect for onboarding or live previews. Step 1. Contact Data Class. We start with a simple data class called Contact Data, which holds a name, email, and avatar color. Step 2. Bottom Sheet Composable. Next, we define our main component, Bottom Sheet with Avatar List. It shows a modal sheet with animation, a title, a list of contacts, and a Done button. Step 3. Modal Bottom Sheet Setup. We use Modal Bottom Sheet with only the top corners rounded. Animation is added using fade and scale to make the entrance smooth and natural. Step 4. Gradient Background. Inside the sheet, we wrap everything in a box with a clipped gradient background, matching the sheet's shape and style. Step 5. Sheet Content. We build the layout with a column, starting with a bold title. Then, we use a lazy column to show a scrollable list of contacts, followed by a full-width gradient Done button. Step 6. Contact Row. Each contact is a clickable row. A colorful circular avatar shows the user's initial, followed by their name and email. The selected contact is highlighted and scales up slightly for visual feedback. Step 7. Default Contacts. We define a list of sample contacts with different colors to populate the list. Step 8. Constants. All styling values like padding, corner radius, font sizes, and animation duration are centralized in a constants object for easy tweaking. Step 9. Demo Preview. Finally, we create a simple demo screen with a button to launch the bottom sheet and display the selected contact above it.